Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a bit chilly day, but it's not gonna stop me from working on my 2013 Ford F350 that is behind me. So in the previous episode, I was able to get the doors only, and before I can continue assembling those doors and hopefully those handles they're completely dry, I was browsing YouTube to see how you can redone your headliner, or maybe you can paint it, and then find out you can paint this headliner. So I brought the headliner over here. I need to wash it and spray paint it, but before I can wash it and spray paint it, I need to go to O'Reilly or Walmart, purchase the cans with the paint. Then I'll come over, wash the headliner, and then while I was gonna be assembling doors on the truck, this headliner will be drying, and when it dries I'll paint it, and hopefully everything gonna work out, cause I can't find the headliner. I haven't called the dealer yet to find out how much it is, but I have a feeling that is really expensive. And there's another things I need to do in the city, so that's another half a day will be wasted. Oh well, nothing I can do about it. That something needs to be done. Let's go and get that paint. I got back from O'Reilly. Also on the way back home, I stopped by Home Depot, purchased few things that I needed, and also on the way back home I stopped by at the post office and I finally opened up P.O. box. I know you guys been asking for a long time. Go check out my description down below to see my P.O. box. If I remember right, it's a P.O. box 625, 9 Mile, Washington 99026. If you want to send something, feel free to do so. So now let's start cleaning this headliner so it's clean before I can start painting. I'm done cleaning the headliner. Before I can start painting, I'm gonna bring it inside home and put it next to the heater so it dries faster. While drying, I'm gonna get the door handles, start installing them on the doors, and then I'll move to the roof of the cap. I'm gonna drill those holes for those roof lights, then install them, and hopefully by that time this headliner will be dry. That way I'll paint it, and while continue assembling interior, this will dry, and hopefully today I'm gonna be completely done with the interior. But before I'm gonna install these door handles, I need to reassemble them. Let's do that right quick and get them on the doors. Guys, I totally forgot about key in entry. I don't have a hole on that door, which I have another door. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the grinder. I'm gonna cut this one out like so. Then I'm gonna put the tape over the door currently on the cap. I'm gonna tape it off that area with the masking tape. Gonna put it there, mark my line, and then gonna cut it out with the grinder, the hole, so I can install this keypad. Man, why is it a dilemma after dilemma? So another issue is my power sliding window motor with the slider itself broken. So this is the good one, the only good left on my truck, and this is the bad one. The motor itself is good, it's working. The slider, that's what it has a problem. So basically this thing is broken inside, so it doesn't hold this cable, and also it's broken over here. You can see the pin have to stick out like so, and same thing over here. So just to show you how it's supposed to look, that's how it's supposed to look. And inside there, you see there's two pins. I tried to fix this, and then when this flew out, I started digging more to see what's going on, and I noticed there's a clip inside there broken. So I have 3 broken sliders. This is the first one, this is second, and this is the third one. Fourth one is good, but that's about it what's good. And I can't assemble doors completely, and at the same time I don't want to go to junkyard or a wrecking yard because they're about an hour away from me. So 2-hour drive plus about an hour and a half, up to 2 hours there. So before I get home, it's probably gonna be about, I would say 5-6 o'clock, which is way too late, and I'm not gonna be able to do those things I was planning to do. So I will leave this alone. I'm gonna continue assembling doors. I'm gonna install handles. I'm gonna pre-drill the holes as you saw in the video. Because this was manual door, I swapped the doors from manual to electrical, and usually all those holes are pre-drilled. I don't know what's going on with the Ford, why they didn't do that. But as you saw, I had to drill this hole. I had to cut this out and drill the hole over there for the slider, and also had to drill these 3 holes over here in order to install the motor. Rest of it looks the same. I don't know, hopefully I'm not gonna get into other hiccups. I'm just gonna continue assembling what I can, do on this truck what I can, and tomorrow I'm gonna go to junkyard and buy what I needed. So basically, I'm pretty sure on this door I'm gonna have to pre-drill the holes. That's what I'm gonna be doing in this episode, and I'll do as much as I can. It sucks that I can't do what I wanted to do, and I can't finish what I wanted to be finished. It is what it is at this point. I have to move on this project, so let's just continue to do stuff that we can do right now, and then deal with those window sliders later on. That's it. I did what I can. I assembled doors as far as I can. I also went ahead and installed the door panels so I don't miss anything, and that way everything is in the place, and whenever I get the motors with the trucks, I'll install them and just finish installing the door panels. So far everything came out nice. Everything looks good. I like it how everything coming along. This door I was able to assemble completely because I have a glass. And another bummer is I don't have three door glasses, because these door glasses are actually different from the ones was on this cap with the XL edition, the cheapest edition. I don't know why they made them different, but it seems like everything is different on this truck. You saw there's no holes. I had to make those holes, and bunch of problems. It took me basically all day to just assemble doors, but that's it. They're done for now. I can't go any further for I don't know for how long until I get those motors. But now I'm gonna get the headliner. It's probably dry already, So I'm gonna bring it out and we'll start painting the headliner so I can install it, and gonna be almost done with the interior. That's it, headliner is painted and it's also dry. Came out nice. I wasn't expecting this at all. So, that's where I'm gonna have to stop. Hey, Soul. My neighbor dog came in. So, at this stage I'm gonna have to stop because to get those cab lights, drill it out. I have a drill bit that fits those kind of I don't know what those call, but this one fits this, but I can't get this one on because this is the smaller diameter, so I can't drill out the holes for the cab lights. That's something I have to do next time. Sorry guys, it's a short video, not a whole lot of progress look like, but I got the headliner painted, the doors assembled, kinda is, not all the way, but you saw it took me almost all day. Took me all day. I'm here since 8 until, what time is it? Probably 6:30 now, 7 o'clock. Anyway. Thank you guys for stopping by. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Salvagemasterv to see inside scoop there before YouTube, and I'll see you next one.